Hey guys, and welcome to the video that we're doing today, which is just 5 minutes of movement. So it's that way to encourage your body to stretch or move for at least 5 minutes. So maybe that's pre-run, post-run, maybe that's as soon as you wake up, right before you go to sleep. Something that you can do in 5 minutes together, all right? So let's get started so that way we can just enjoy this time and not spend too much time waiting for the movement to start. So feel free to get your yoga mat out or do it wherever you are. I want you guys to go ahead and just set up in downward facing dog. So you're gonna extend your hips up and back. And then just walk in place in dog. So some nice deep stretches as the heels press down and you look back between your heels. Good, exhale, press back and then very slowly walk your toes forward for me. And then exhale into a forward fold. Good. Inhale as you roll all the way to stand, reach up high. And then exhale, bring your right knee into your chest. So give it a big squeeze, lower it down. Inhale, bring both arms to the sky. Exhale, pull your left knee to your chest, give it a squeeze. And then lower it down. Go ahead and separate your feet wide and face me. Take those hands out wide. Inhale, open the arms. Good. Exhale the hands to the hips. Fold forward. Bring your hands down. And then turn your head to the right and then to the left. Good. Take another deep breath here as you exhale and then just shift forward to this right foot. Take a deep bend to the right knee, lower the back knee down, place the right hand on the right leg, and then inhale, twist your gaze to the right as you feel this stretch in your left hip flexor. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale your hands through center all the way over to side two, and then just place the right knee down, or the side you didn't start on. Place your left hand on your left leg. Just look over the left shoulder and get that nice stretch through the right hip flexor. Take one more full breath in here. Exhale, come back through center as you pick up your back knee. Fold forward as you breathe out. And then roll up bone by bone by bone by bone. Let those arms come back open wide. Reach high into the air. And then pull the hands down to your heart. Good. Bring those legs back together. And I just want you to inhale, reach your arms way up to the sky. Good. Exhale, fold forward like you're diving forward. And then exhale, roll the chin to the chest. Take the hands around the legs and then pull in. Good. From here, slowly shift back to the top of the mat. Exhale, widen the feet, sink down into your hips. Press your legs open, open, open. And then have a seat on the ground. You're gonna roll onto your back, slowly hug in, and then press your feet to the sky. I'm gonna put my hands inside of my legs, press my legs apart, roll your ankles around, and then bring your legs slowly back together. Now one more time, press your legs nice and wide, and then bring them back together, and then hug your knees to your chest and rock a little bit side to side for me. Good. You're going to rock up to seated very slowly. Cross your ankles and then exhale, twist right. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist left. Good. Inhale, center. Exhale, fold forward. Walk those hands out in front of you. And then again, come back up tall. Switch the direction you've chosen across your legs. Exhale, twist right again. Maybe you go further. Again, maybe this is that early morning, make me move for 5 minutes right before I go to work, or maybe that's the end of the night, make me move for 5 minutes right before I lay down to sleep, or that make me move for 5 minutes, I just did a lot of work, maybe lifting weights or running, and so now I'm just stretching it out. Exhale, lay onto your back. One more time for me. Shoot those legs back up into the air and then towards your armpits. Exhale, nice deep happy baby here. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, rock up to seated. Cross those ankles, step back to high plank. And then push your hips to dog. Good, inhale, come forward to plank. Exhale, lower the stomach. Tops of the feet down. Inhale, bring the chest up, 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 up. Good, exhale, tabletop, hands and knees. You're gonna inhale, bring the chest open. Exhale, close the chest, tuck the chin. One more time, inhale, wave the spine. Exhale, tuck. Good, and then curl those toes, last down dog. We're gonna just take that right leg way up. Release it down. You're gonna take your left leg way up. Release it down. Inhale forward to plank. We got that one power move where we're gonna lower all the way down, untuck our toes here. And then you can bring your hands forward or bring them back. Inhale, last pose, cobra. Up dog, your choice. And then we'll finish those 5 minutes in child's pose where you can just breathe. Nice work, guys. So feel free to just repeat this sequence, start it over real quick to give yourself 10 or 15 minutes of movement. Sometimes just these nice repetitive stretches here and there can make your body feel really good. The sequence doesn't have a direct focus in terms of opening the hips or the hamstrings, but it has that focus of just getting you moving, feeling relaxed and stretched out. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have any questions, please feel free to write them below.